What up, squad fam? It's your boy, GC. So yeah, I know that the ramen burrito has been done before online by these good people. But the thing is, they don't really, they just use like top ramen or like instant ramen packs. I'm in Japan, we need to use real fresh ramen and we need to use real ramen taste. So today it's going to be a Shoyu Ramen Burrito. Shoyu Rarito Buramen. I don't have anything clever to say, sorry. So it all starts by boiling the noodles. Since I can't put soup inside of a goddamn burrito, I decided to boil the noodles in the soup. So you buy these soup packs and you have to mix it with the boiling water. And after everything is boiled up, I chose to just drop in the ramen. It's important to be careful, because when you add the ramen to any soup or water, these fresh ramen, they tend to overboil really quickly. And no ramen or ramen burrito is complete without some moyashi, which is kind of bean sprouts. So I decided to fry them up with some Worcestershire sauce, and some soy sauce, just to add a little extra flavor. And for me, I like a good ramen egg with my ramen, so I decided to add that to the burrito as well. It's really easy to make these at home, but you have to make them one day in advance, and I was super busy yesterday. So we're going with store-bought this time, but I'm going to put a card up here for my new recipe on how to make a ramen egg at home as soon as possible. Then I had some store-bought chashu as well. It doesn't taste as well as the regular version, but yeah, you know, time and whatnot. This is actually a full episode of just store-bought stuff. Damn, I suck. Then I had to prepare the wraps, and I really wanted to avoid sort of like the hambushi situation again, where everything's split open. It was a huge disappointment. I wanted to avoid that, so I threw the wraps in the microwave to make them a little bit more pliable and softer to mash together. Then, as like a spread, I put in some rayu, which is Japanese garlic and chili oil, or rayu is usually just chili oil, but I like the garlic. And for the next layer, I chose to lay down the noodles on top of the rayu. And once that is done, I threw on the chashu. Then the eggs. And lastly, the bean sprouts that I made. I gotta admit, I was super anxious about rolling up this one after my hambushi failure, which you can check out here, by the way. But it actually went quite okay. But I was still afraid that it was going to split open during the slicing in half reveal. So I threw it in the frying pan. And you know that something is really intense in the kitchen when you have to use 2 wooden spatulas to maneuver it around. Yeah, intense stuff. Real intense. After I fried it up, I gently put it down on the cutting board and sliced it open. Take a look at this. I want to have to shove that little flap in there as well. I'm not gonna lie to you, even though it's decadent as hell, it was really tasty. Thank you all for watching, and if you like these crazy fusion things, leave a comment down below. Don't remember to subscribe, and end screen!